Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a redeem code on Twitch. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Twitch website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to add a redeem code on your account, then click on the three dots at the top section and now click on gift card. This will then take you into the gift card page for Twitch. Now within this page, just scroll down and you will see the redeem here button. Go ahead and click on it and now you can enter your redeem code in order to redeem your Twitch rewards. Just type in the redeem code given in the box and then click on the redeem button underneath. Once you enter your code and click on the respective button, your reward will be activated and it will be added onto your Twitch account right away. And now you will be able to use this currency within your Twitch account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a redeem code on your Twitch account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.